Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the SANUS height adjustable TV soundbar mount, specifically designed for the Sony Bravia Theater Bar 8 and Bar 9. If you're looking for a sleek, integrated solution to enhance both your audio and visual experience, this mount might be exactly what you need. This mount is the result of a collaboration between SANUS and Sony, ensuring a perfect fit for the Bravia Theater bars. It works with most TVs ranging from 50 to 90 inches. So whether you have a mid-sized or a large screen setup, this mount adapts to your home theater configuration. One of the standout features is its adjustability. You can fine-tune the depth, height, and leveling of your soundbar to achieve an optimal position. The depth adjustment allows you to bring the soundbar closer or further away from the TV, while the height adjustment ensures it aligns perfectly beneath the screen. Additionally, a leveling adjustment of up to 8 degrees guarantees that everything looks straight and professional. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. SANUS includes all the necessary hardware, so you don't need any specialized tools or complicated steps. Once installed, your soundbar is securely mounted directly under the TV, creating a clean, streamlined appearance. This setup not only improves aesthetics by eliminating clutter on your console, but also enhances your audio experience by positioning the sound directly in line with the picture, creating more immersive sound. It's an excellent way to free up valuable space for decor or other devices. The mount itself is built from durable metal and finished in black, blending seamlessly with most TV designs. With its adjustable features and secure build, it ensures your soundbar remains stable, even in households with kids or pets. For those who are particular about their home entertainment setup, this mount offers a combination of style, convenience, and performance that is hard to beat. If you're serious about optimizing both your TV placement and audio performance, the SANUS height adjustable soundbar mount for Sony Bravia Theater bars is a solution worth considering. It simplifies your setup, maximizes space, and ensures your soundbar delivers the best possible sound directly in sync with your TV. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product insights and real critiques.